Greetings, folks. Eric Johnson here, Vice President of Business Development at Moneco.
And I'm Chris Levine. I'm one of the relationship managers here at Moneco.
We're here this week again for the introduction of our content in our weekly Wealth of Knowledge. Again, this is your weekly download of everything you need to know about the markets, financial planning, and a little bit about lifestyle as well.
So to start off this week, we have a great article about the quarter-point rate hike that we just saw from the Fed. It's going to talk a little bit about what that means for savers, borrowers, and especially homeowners.
Yeah, I mean, the long-awaited rate hike. It's been a few years here, but finally came, and the market seemed to digest it as pretty well. Obviously, it was probably already priced in, but we'll see what happens next time the Fed meets.
Absolutely.
The second article we have is about weekly jobless claims. Again, also decreased for probably the fourth or fifth time over the past few months. Another strong sign for the economy and specifically the labor market. Although the labor market still definitely remains tight with a lot of open jobs that are still yet to be fulfilled. But we'd love to see those jobless claims continuing to tick down.
Yeah, any good numbers out of the economy right now are a good sign.
Absolutely.
Our third article, sticking with retirement planning as our monthly theme, is about how financial planning is really a family affair. And this article addresses a little bit about how the women of the household can get more involved in their family's financial plan.
Absolutely. I think either spouse, sometimes it's the women, sometimes it's the men. But as Chris said, I mean, we really love to include everybody because you just never know what could potentially happen. So we want to make sure everybody's empowered and educated when it comes to their overall financial plan. The last thing we wanted to mention, although not included in this week's actual communication, for those that have run the Fairfield Police Sunset 5K presented by the entire team here at Moneco Advisors, we actually just launched the website last week. So you'll hear more about that, but that's going to be, again, that Sunset 5K down at beautiful Penfield Beach, a short, flat course scheduled for Wednesday, July 20th, kicks off at 6 o'clock. We hope to see all of you there. Coming out of the pandemic, we were actually able to increase the number of participants this year to 1,000, and we do expect to sell out. So stay tuned for that. We hope to see you, your families, down there for that great, great night. I know Chris and I have a little bit of a competitive edge here, so he's always trying to beat me, which he did successfully do last year with a little bit of fireworks, but look forward to seeing you back on the race course this year, Chris.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it.
So with that, we'd like to sign off. If you enjoy our content here on the Weekly Wealth of Knowledge, don't forget to share with your family and friends across Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, and we'll see you next week.